to my channel. So today's video is basically going to be showing you what I did to my kids' bathroom. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been showing you on my stories what I've done to it from the beginning till now. And basically, I just decided I wanted to fix it up. So I went in and I did everything from painting and painting the cabinets as well, and just fixing up and decorating it and just making it a kid-friendly bathroom. But yeah, I'm just so excited how it turned out. I was a little nervous about using yellow, but I think it came out great. So if you guys want to see how I changed the kids' bathroom from how it looked into the beginning to how it is right now, then definitely keep on watching. So this is what it looks like before. I started to test it right here just to see if it would warp or not, because I know this part doesn't feel as wooden as this does. So I am over here, and there's like all this mess from previous owners as well, as you can see. Kids in the background. But I'm over here and I'm going to be painting this entire thing. That's so far what's going on with the cabinet. I'm just going to be painting 2 coats. I'm using this right here. It's hard to see because we already used it inside of another bathroom. This is what I'm using. This is the before color. You can tell it's kind of like a purplish, bluish. It's hard to pick up the correct tone on camera, but I don't like it. So we're changing it to this yellow, and it's going to go on right now. Thought it'd be a cute color for the kids' bathroom. We're halfway through, and I'm already second guessing myself. Looks better on camera. That color you see over here is the color it actually is. Maybe even a little more lemony. Alright, so I'm going to be moving the camera around, so it may get a little shaky at some points, but I want to show you everything I purchased. I'm going to be giving you prices and places of where I've got everything. So in case you are interested in getting any pieces for your bathroom or your kids' bathroom, it'll be really easy for you to find out where to get it from. I decided to go with yellow because it is such a bright and cheerful color, and since this bathroom does not have any windows at all, I felt like it needed something to pop in. Yellow is the perfect color to just feel bright and cheerful. In fact, when I first painted it, I thought I went a little too bright with the yellow, because you really can sometimes, but I was able to tone it down with some of the other colors that I put inside of the bathroom, and it just works so well. The yellow did take me about 3 coats to apply, and that's what really took the longest. All right, so over here is the kids' bathroom sink. I ended up putting this plant here, and I got this from TJ Maxx. It was $13. Of course, over here I just have their lotion, toothpaste, and soap sitting right there. And then this little thing I ended up getting a while ago, and I'm not even sure if Walmart even sells it anymore, but I got this case from Walmart, and it was around $6 to $8. All right, so down below, this is the cabinet area, and what I ended up doing with this is I actually repainted it, and it helped to give it more of like this white type of stained look to the cabinets, and I just felt like it was really nice because the doors are white, everything, the toilet and tub is white. So with this being white, it just made everything come together. So on the ground, I also purchased 2 rugs from Target. They are $15 each. Over here, I originally had green towels to go with the green plant, just to give them like that coordinating color. But unfortunately, there was not any green inside of this shower curtain, and it just threw everything off. So I went back to Kohl's and I exchanged them for orange towels, and I think it looks really nice. It gives it the pop of color that you see inside of this shower curtain as well. Each of these towels are originally $10, and I believe these hand towels are $4. But if you go right now, they're on sale for $4 each, and then I also had a 15% off coupon, so I got each of the towels for around $3.30 something cents. And it works. So if you're looking for towels right now, you have till the 11th for that sale. This is the shower curtain I ended up getting from Target, and it was, I think, $17. So over here I decided to buy 2 picture frames from Burlington, and they were each $9. And I decided to frame the pictures of the kids. I just took these at the kitchen table and then ended up editing them on Photoshop. And what I did was I had it where only certain pops of colors were coming out from the pictures, and it kind of helped to tie into the colorful theme that is going on inside of this bathroom. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. If you guys do like these home decor DIY videos, make sure to please like this video, and of course subscribe, because I plan on doing a lot more coming up soon. Thanks guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.